Hey tech support team, this is Chris Pulver. Just wanted to resend this message out to the team once again to let you know in this video to walk you through where students are going to be asking for some of the indicators and templates for patterns for profits and target trading. So this is what I sent to you all this morning. Over the weekend I added discussion sections to target trading patterns for profits. At the bottom of each class you'll find these areas. Alright, so let's go into the online university right now, and I'll show you what it looks like. So if you're in the online university for patterns for profits or target trading, let's use target trading since that's in the here and now, and classes today from 1 to 5 we just finished, and then tomorrow from 1 to 5 as well. This is the classroom. This is what students are going to be looking for you to help with. So you come all the way down to the bottom of the page, and I created this new community section. So in this section we have target trading weekly preview videos. If the student were to click on the actual week that they want to be looking for the video and the workspace, they can come in here, click on the week. In this section you'll see that we have the QuickTime video as well as the workspace.ws file. So if they need your assistance, please help them download this file in their Ultimate Charting. If you go back into your target trading class, go to the very bottom of the page again to the discussion section. You go into student community. That's where all the students are contacting one another and sharing trade ideas and setups and videos and things like that. They can ask me questions here. This is the section I want you to know. So what they're going to need your assistance with is in the download section, which was in my email, and here's what it is. If they go into the download section, so here's target trading downloads. Alright, now I'm going to clean this garbage up because I don't want students posting crap in here. This is only for the downloads. So look, this is exactly what I'm talking about. People are like, what do I use to open up this file? What system? What bleh. Okay, I don't want to help people figure out how to open this stuff up. I sent out a 45-minute video with step-by-step instructions. Obviously you guys get the same repetitive things with little baby steps and hand holding. I get it. I don't want to do it. Alright, and I don't mean to pass it on to you guys, but I can't have 725 people in a class asking me how to download stuff if I can't specifically help them. So I know that they'll be reaching out to you, and here's where you're going to find everything. So if you come into your target trading downloads, so again it's under that target trading community, come into your downloads. I've provided, you can see my name here, I provided the custom indicators. All of them are labeled here and the files are right here. Now Brian, for example, we don't have the automated installers working quite yet because it's not migrating properly. So I am posting all of the indicator sets individually that they can download, and I'm explaining them in class, and here is a description of each individual indicator file. If you go back to the templates area, I have all of the templates and the files. Please help people download these files and put them in their Ultimate Charting templates folder or custom indicators folder. Alright, I'm hoping that you guys can help with this. I don't want to bottleneck tech support with this tomorrow. I'm going to finish the class before I turn them loose on all of you, but I've sent them the video. I'm sending them the video again when they ask, but to me it's just crazy that just a couple little steps is so difficult. So I applaud your crazy amounts of patience and I appreciate it, but this is where everything is if they come into the target trading class. If you go into my courses, patterns for profits, I did the exact same thing. You come down to the bottom of the class, here is your patterns for profit community, and you come into your patterns for profits downloads. I have a template section here with the descriptions and here with the files. Help them download these files. If you go into the indicator section, description of the indicators here with the files. I've even provided the passwords for them, not to get crazy and change the parameters or change the systems, but understanding that some people have custom preferences and they want colors a certain way or line thicknesses a certain way. That's fine. So I did provide the passwords. That's fine. You guys know this. Help out the students. So I'm not going to turn them loose and say just contact tech support. That's not my job. I realize that there's a balance of, if I can help people understand it, great. But I'm trying to walk them through the simple steps of literally clicking on this file, saving that file, all right, and just using the save file. Once it's downloaded, you can show the file right here, copy and paste it into the Ultimate Charting indicators or templates folder, whatever one it is, whatever file type it is. I know it's easy, you know it's easy, but our students are not quite there. So that's the task. There's over 800 people that are going to be possibly reaching out to you. I know that seems insane. Most of them can figure it out for themselves, or they've done it before, but obviously we know that there's a lot of students that submit a ton of cases. And so if you need assistance, I sent out the email this morning to tell you what's going on with these two classes. I don't want there to be any confusion when people call asking about, I need this template or indicator for Patterns for Profits or target trading. You guys know where it is. All right, so please let me know that this is understood loud and clear, and you can help the students as needed when they submit the cases. And after class tomorrow at 5 p.m., I'll say if there's any additional issues, please get into a live chat with our tech support or contact them later in the week. All right, this should not be a difficult problem for us to handle unless they obviously have some major computer issues. So if you guys understand, great. Let me know. Just confirm that we're on the same page, no surprises, and that way the answer for the student is, I don't know where that stuff is. All right, so now we know where the stuff is. We know how to get students into the classroom and where to find everything. Please help them out. Thanks.